Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to draw and handwrite directly in Google Docs, simple and easy. Start by opening Google Docs and selecting the document where you want to add your handwriting or drawings. At the top menu, click on Insert, then go to Drawing and choose New. This will open up a drawing canvas where you can create your handwritten notes or sketches. From the toolbar, click on the Line option, then select Scribble. With Scribble, you can now draw freely on the canvas using your mouse, trackpad, or stylus. You can adjust the line color, thickness, or even change the style to make your handwriting or drawing look the way you want. Once you're done, click Save and Close, and your drawing will instantly appear inside your document. If you want to resize it, just drag the corners. You can also position it behind or in front of the text, or even go back and edit it again by clicking on Edit. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to draw and handwrite in Google Docs. This is a great way to add personal notes, diagrams, or quick sketches to your documents. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Google Docs tips. Thanks for watching.